How to insert link in Google Docs. Okay, by the way, it's very easy, okay? And I believe you already know and you already can do. For example, you want to link somewhere in your text. For example, you say click here, or you can read our latest blog post here. Okay, you can do that and you can say blog post here. So you want to just link a page, okay, to maybe to a text. Okay, you want to link something, and how you can do that in Google Docs? Well, it's very easy. There you have the link icon, and you can click in here, and its shortcut is Control K and Command K. So we're gonna click, and then it says, where do you want to really go with heading, or you want to paste some link, or you want to go with bookmarks even? So right now we have three headings. Which one? No, we don't want that. Okay, we want, for example, my website. Okay, so there you go. So I apply in here. So right now it's done. So it's linked there, and I can click, and it automatically will open for us, so person can read the text, and person can really edit, of course, and can really get most out of this link. So that is the link in here. And also I have another choice, like copy link, or I can edit link, of course. Also I can remove link. So those are the choices already that already we can do in here, and they are perfect for linking. Okay, see you in more lectures.